Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2020 Toyota Camry with the V6 engine. You're going to locate it on the driver's side right in front of your battery. Here's the OEM part number from Toyota for the engine air filter. Now you can grab yourself a Phillips screwdriver like this or use a 10mm socket on this right here. We're going to loosen this up. Undo the clip here, push down here, and then pull out the connector. Now over on this side, you're gonna have one tiny clip. You're gonna pull this back and lift up. So here's the clip again at a different angle. You're gonna pull back like this. That'll loosen it up. And you have one more right here, same design. You're gonna lift up, slide out. And then right here in front of the airbox, you're gonna have two clips, one on the left, one on the right. Undo those. And now we can lift up, and at the same time, we're gonna be pulling back on this intake hose to separate it from the airbox. I'm gonna put this off to the side over here. Now we have access to the filter. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. And now we want to go ahead and clean up all this debris inside of here. Now with the filter going up and down like this, not like this, just slide it into place. Make sure the seal goes evenly on all sides. And now we can go ahead and install the housing cover. The housing cover is going to have two tabs in the back, one here and one right here, and those are going to slide in right here and right here. We're going to be doing those simultaneously while putting in the air hose at the same time. So here's the air hose that got in, and now here on the back side you can see the two slots. I'm going to put those in here first, and now we're going to put some pressure going down, bring the clip up, just push down, bring this up, and now we're going to grab the connector here, clips in, up top, and then this pushes in. Now when we're putting the hose back in, we want to make sure it's fully pushed in as far as possible. You're going to know that it is all the way in when you see that this little indent right here matches up with that little point that's sticking up. So right here I'm not all the way in, so I can push in, and now you can see I'm fully seated all the way back as far as possible. So now I can go ahead and clamp on this. And you're all set. So if you liked the video, if you learned something, or if I helped you save some money, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.